Hi guys, let's make bread. So you need all-purpose flour, uh, whole wheat flour, active dry yeast, little bit of salt and little bit of sugar and water. This is 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast. So I'm adding warm water to it. It should be more than warm, mildly hot water. And we have to leave it over there for it to raise. After 3 to 4 minutes, I am adding one small 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Adding little bit more water. Mix it nicely. See, after 10 minutes, it has raised nicely. I have taken 4 cups of flour. So 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. 1 spoon of salt. Now let's add the yeast to it. And make the dough. You can add warm water to it to make the dough. Make the dough. Not too watery and not too thick. It should be like this. Now let's cover it, and I'm going to keep it inside the oven. Just turn the lights on. Don't turn the oven on. Just turn the light on so that it will be warm over there, and we are going to leave it there for 6 hours. So it's been 6 hours now. Let's open it. So let's roll it. Let's roll. Fold it. Then again flatten it again, and you can roll it again. roll it. That's it. Now you can bake it. Take a baking dish and spray a little oil. Coat the oil all over. Now you can place the bread here. And we are going to bake it for 45 minutes in the temperature 425. Let me take the bread out. It's almost 40 minutes. It's done. Look. Let's slice it. See? Let us taste the bread with some butter on top. Yummy, awesome for morning breakfast. Bye.